Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 5004, it usually means there is a problem with your account's authentication or device connection, often related to login issues, device registration, or network conflicts. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 5004 on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that error 5004 is usually accounts or device related, common on smart TVs, Fire TV, and mobile, and often fixed by relogin or resetting connection. So focus on accounts plus device first. So sign out and sign back in, like open Prime Video, sign out of your account and sign back in. It refreshes authentication. Okay, restart your device, for example. So turn off your TV, phone, or streaming device and then turn it back on. Okay, so it clears temporary glitches. You can also check your internet connection, so ensure stable Wi-Fi or data. Restarts router if needed, because weak connection can trigger login errors. Okay, you can also remove and register device, like go to account, okay, your device, and deregister the device and sign in again. So it fixes device authorization issues. Okay, you can also update the app as a whole, like updates Prime Video from App Store. It fixes bugs causing errors. Okay, or disable VPN or proxy if you are using any, because VPN make some bugs in the connection. So turn off VPN, retry login. Region mismatch may block access. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.